Continuation of previous problem, we got xi is equal to 0.5. So in order to find the theta with the negative real axis, you have to find cos theta is equal to cos inverse of theta is cos inverse of psi, that is cos inverse of 0.5, that is equal to 60 degree. So you will get a 60 degree. So here again we will go back to the previous sections. Once more we will see that. Yes. Yeah, here so here xi is, xi can be found by using cos theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. So you get here xi is equal to cos theta from this. So the same way here, as you can see here, xi is given as 0.5. So the angle can be found by cos inverse of 0.5, that is equal to 60 degree. Cos inverse of 60 degree. So that means the angle is 60 degree. Now you need to find the distance from A to here. You need to find distance from A to minus 2, A to minus 4. Then only you can find the k of this point. Okay. So now you will get this distance as 1.3, this distance as 1.8, and this distance as 3.5. Other all this asymptote, everything already I explained. And yes, now in order to get this distance, better to obtain this distance and this corresponding this distance. Okay. Yes. If the measurement is on scale, you can measure the distance by normal normal way, just measuring the distance if it is in the normal scale. But if you have not done that, then you have to calculate it. Okay. Now our prime important to find this distance. Then you can calculate all other distance very easily. So how we can find the distance A from the center? No, A to this real axis. So that is yeah. Just I'll think and I'll tell you. This angle is 30. This is 90. This is 60. 30. This is 90. Yes, but we don't know what angle is this. Okay. So here, I think that they did by measuring this point as root locus point as point 0.67 plus j 1.16. From that you know that this distance is this distance is 0.067. From here to here it is 1.16. Now if this distance is 1.16 and this is 0.67, then this square the square root of this distance from this distance is you are getting here, and you know that this is 0.67. Here the distance from here to here is 2 minus 0.67. So this square plus this square, the square root of that will give this distance, and again you can find this distance from here to here, that is 4 minus 0.67. that is the distance from here. This already you know that is 1.16. So the square root of this distance square plus this distance square will give this distance. And if you know all z is 3.5, x is 1.3, y is 1.8, you need to multiply all this. So you're getting k as 8.19. So this I am leaving you as finding the point. That means this distance as well as this distance, how you can find as left as an exercise. Now to determine the closed loop transfer function for xi is 0.5, find k for xi is equal to 0.5 and locate the pair of complex poles at the point of intersection of constant xi is equal to 0.5 line with the root locus. From the root locus plot, it is minus 0.67 plus j 1.16. The second root is the complex conjugate of the first one, so it is minus 0.67 minus j 1.6. The third root will lie on the third branch of root locus, and this can be determined by trial and error method. From this root locus plot, it is s is equal to minus 4.58 at b dash. Therefore, the closed loop transfer function for xi is equal to 0.5 is c of s by r of s 8.19 divided by all the roots. But this is actually not required in your syllabus. So just, yeah, the k till k you can find it. How you find the k, that much only is required. Okay.